Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IQ Booster AR, and in today's video I'll be updating you with today's current affair, that is of 3rd of August. So the first question for the day is, recently the Fazil mango of West Bengal with the GI tag has been exported to which country? The right answer is A. Bahrain. Fazil Am, related to West Bengal with the GI tag, have been exported to Bahrain. The product which gets the geographical index tag gets famous, which increases its demand, and because of the increase in demand its production increases too, which benefits the farmers. And now if someone asks you which product from India got the first GI tag, the answer for that is the Darjeeling tea in the year 2004. If we talk about other options, option B, America. Assam's Lal Chawal with the GI tag had been exported to America recently. Option B, Singapore. UP's Buddha's Chawal with the GI tag had been exported to Singapore for the first time. Option D, UAE. First vegetable consignment had been given to UAE. And now, if we talk about Bahrain, which is a small country in Middle East, its capital is Manama and its currency is Bahrain dinar. Salman is the crown prince of Bahrain. And now, the second question is, recently America imposed sanction on the police force and leaders of which country? The right answer is D. Cuba. Earlier, I told you that the citizens of Cuba are opposing its government, and the reason is that after COVID outbreak, dearness, unemployment and poverty increased. Government of Cuba have stopped the internet facility there, and for that America is going to help citizens of Cuba by giving them internet facility with the help of Loon project, which is related to Alphabet company, and supporting the citizens of Cuba. America have also sanctioned the Cuba police force and leaders. Now if we talk about Cuba, Cuba is a Caribbean country and its capital is Havana, and Cuban peso is the currency of Cuba. The third question is, which state has topped in the vaccination status as per the recently released report? The right answer is B. Gujarat. The question don't need much explanation, it's simple that the state which was the best in vaccinating people is Gujarat. Now if we talk about Gujarat, its capital is Gandhinagar. Vijay Rupani is the chief minister and Acharya Devvrat is the governor. Besides this, if we talk about some basic facts about Gujarat, Gujarat have 4 national parks: Gir, Vanchada, Blackbuck and Marine National Park. And India's biggest multimodal logistic park will be in Gujarat. And now, the fourth question is, who will preside over the 76th session of United Nations General Assembly? The right answer will be the president of UNGA, and option C, Abdullah Shahid is the recently made president of UNGA. Abdullah Shahid is also the foreign minister of Maldives. India supported the decision of making him the president of UNGA. So, do you think that Abdullah being the president of UNGA is beneficial for India? The answer is yes, as Maldives have been a friendly country to India. Maldives speaks in the favor of India in every issue, even if it's the Kashmir issue. Both Maldives and India are the members of SAARC, South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. Now, if we talk about UNGA, it was established in the year 1945 and its headquarters is in New York, and it consists of a total of 193 countries. The next question is, the joint military exercise Corpet has been organized between the natives of which two countries? There is a slight typing mistake in the question. It's not CORPET, it's CORPAT. And the right answer is D. India and Indonesia. Corpet stands for Coordinate Patrol. It was its 36th edition and was organized in the Indian Ocean. If we talk about Indonesia, its capital is Jakarta, currency is Indonesia rupee, and Joko Widodo is the president. Two facts that you should remember related to Indonesia are Mount Merapi, which was in talks because of volcanic eruption, and Sulawesi Island. In this island, world's oldest painting was found, which is said to be approx 45,000 years old. Now, if we relate other options. Option A. The exercise between India and Russia are Indra and Avia Indra. Option B. The exercise between India and China is hand in hand. Option C. The exercise between India and Nepal is Surya Kiran. And now, sixth question is, in which country largest star sapphire cluster has accidentally been found? The right answer is A. Sri Lanka. The star sapphire cluster have been found accidentally. The value of this sapphire cluster is approx 100 million American dollar. Now, if we talk about Sri Lanka, there is a strait between India and Sri Lanka known as Palk Strait. Its commercial capital is Colombo and executive capital is Jayawardepuram Kotte. Earlier, I told you about the President and Prime Minister. Both of them are brothers. Gotabaya Rajapakse is the President and Mahendra Rajapakse is the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. And its currency is Sri Lankan rupee. The seventh question for the day is, the Defence Expo 2022 will be organized where? The right answer is B. Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Last time the expo was held in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. And now, what is Defence Expo? As its name suggests, it's related to defense. You must have heard of Rafale and Chinook helicopter. You can say that big companies related to defense sector exhibits their technology in the exhibition. The eighth question is, recently, who became the new Controller General of Accounts of India? The right answer is C. Deepak Das. Deepak Das is the 25th Controller General of Accounts in India. Now, if we talk about other options, option A. Piyush Goyal has been recently made the leader of House in Rajya Sabha. Before that, he was the Railway Minister, and now Ashwin Vaishnav is the new Railway Minister. And before Piyush Goyal, Thawar Singh Gehlot was the leader of House in the Rajya Sabha. Thawar Singh Gehlot is now made the Governor General of Karnataka. Option B. Utpal Kumar Singh. He is the General Secretary in the Lok Sabha. Before him, Sneha Lata Srivastava was the General Secretary in the Lok Sabha. Option D. Rakesh Asthana. Rakesh Asthana has recently been made the Police Commissioner of Delhi. And now, the next question is, recently, the government of which state has started Krishi Karna project? D. Kerala is the right answer. Kerala government started the Krishi Karna project. Under this project, mini poly houses will be made, which are a kind of greenhouse. It will be made on the 2.5% of farmers' land, and approx cost of this will be 2.35 lakh. The other projects of Kerala government are Knowledge Mission project, Smart Kitchen project, One School One IS program, and they are providing free internet facility for the family who are below poverty line. And now, the last question for the day is, according to the report of the World Trade Organization, what is the position of India in terms of exporting agricultural products, taking the place of New Zealand? Now, if we talk about other index released recently, India placed 10th in the Climate Change Performance Index. Now, if we talk about other index released recently, India placed 10th in the Climate Change Performance Index, 12th in the Diplomacy Index. The Diplomacy Index was topped by China, and India was 4th in the Foreign Exchange Reserves. So guys, that's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, and you can give your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.